Hi, my name is Don Marsh. Today we're going to be doing the Peppermint Paddy in celebration of St. Paddy's Day here on The Proper Pour. All right, here on The Proper Pour today, we're going to be doing one of our signature cocktails, the Peppermint Paddy. So this will be an Irish whiskey based cocktail. We're going to use Paddy's Irish whiskey. It's going to be 1.5 ounces. Use a nice Creme De Cacao, it's 1/2 ounce. Using what we drink the most around here, gotta have your coin, your Fernet Branca, a 1/4 ounce. And then we do a 1/4 ounce of our peppermint syrup. Find about 4 to 5 mint leaves. We're going to muddle these in here. Soft. You don't want to hit them too hard because you'll break it up and look like a salad. Shake this cocktail. Usually when I double strain, I'll use a hawthorn and a julep, but since there's going to be a little bit of broken mint in there, we're going to put the julep over the glass and strain it this way instead. And I'm catching a couple of the broken up mint leaves in there. Now we're going to extract the oils from the mint. Swipe it once, pour it over the top. This tastes a lot like a thin mint, but it's nice and boozy as well. It has a lot of like cocoa notes from this, and the Fernet Branca is gonna give it a little bitter aspects to kind of even everything out, but it tastes just like a thin mint. It's perfect. So, happy St. Paddy's Day. We'll see you later on The Proper Pour. You'll have to try this fucking shit. This is fucking good.